Welcome to Auto Plus,
your home for the wildest rides and insane custom builds on the road. And today, we're stepping into something you've never seen before. What happens when Ferrari decides to build not a supercar, but a superhome? Buckle up, because this 2026 Ferrari Luxury Motorhome is something straight out of a sci-fi movie. At first glance, it looks like a sleek, aerodynamic spaceship on wheels, finished in Ferrari's signature Rosso Corsa red, with bold lines, black carbon fiber trims, and a roaring custom exhaust that still screams Italian performance. But once you step inside, it's a whole different world. Let's start with the living area. A lavish lounge wrapped in hand-stitched Italian leather, the same material used in Ferrari's racing seats. The interior lighting is ambient and adaptive, just like inside a LaFerrari cockpit, and the windows? Full privacy electrochromic glass that darkens with a touch. Mounted to the wall is a 4K ultra-wide smart display, integrated with Ferrari's exclusive entertainment system. Oh, and the sound system? Custom tuned by Bose and engineered into the structure. You feel the music in your chest. Moving into the kitchen and dining zone, this isn't your average RV kitchenette. We're talking matte finished carbon fiber countertops, a dual induction stove, touchscreen smart oven, built-in espresso machine, and a wine chiller holding nothing but premium Italian bottles. Even the sink faucet is inspired by Ferrari's paddle shifters. Smooth, minimal, and precise. The bedroom is pure class. King-sized memory foam bed with Ferrari embroidery, illuminated ceiling panels resembling a starry night sky, and integrated climate zones on either side. And if you thought that was it, hidden behind a motorized panel is a personal safe, biometric locker, and a display case for your favorite Ferrari watches or keys. Now for the wildest part, the bathroom. Heated marble floors, a rainfall shower with multi-zone jets, a backlit smart mirror with a virtual concierge, and even a built-in steam feature. It's not just a bathroom, it's a spa on wheels. Under the hood, this monster is powered by a hybrid V12 system. Yes, a real Ferrari V12, coupled with electric torque for smooth cruising. 0 to 60? Not your average motorhome stat, but this beast can do it in under 6 seconds. Not that you'll need it, but wow. Every inch of this motorhome screams performance, luxury, and futuristic tech. Ferrari didn't just build a vehicle, they built a statement. And the price? Rumored to be upwards of $2.5 million. But for Ferrari fans and luxury collectors, this is the ultimate flex. Make sure to hit like if this blew your mind. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Plus for more insane machines like this one. We're just getting started.